Hi Trevor, I'm Nicole and I'll be your therapist today. How are you doing today?
Pretty good.
Pretty good? Well, I know the OTR was in here before and she already did the compressions on you to get you ready, all warmed up for all of our exercises today. So we're going to move on. But I know your favorite food is pizza, so we're going to do a pizza activity today.
Yeah.
But I know that sometimes you get real rough with toys or start touching other people. So remember, when you start feeling that way, what are we going to do? Do you remember?
I don't know.
Do you remember what you did with the other therapist earlier today?
I like jumping around the room. Jump around the room.
Well, it's kind of like that. We're going to do jumping jacks. Remember doing that?
Oh, yeah, jumping jacks. I remember.
Okay.
I got slapped real hard and then bring it back down.
So when you're feeling that way, that's what we're going to do, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's go to the table and start our pizza activity.
Okay.
Okay, in front of you, I got all the ingredients to making a pizza. We have crust, sauce, pepperonis, cheese, and sausage. I'm going to mix them all up, and I want you to put it in the order that you want to make it in.
Well, crust is on the bottom.
Yep.
And then the sauce. But I don't think it really matters for the rest of the stuff.
No, it doesn't.
So I like sausage first. And then I want cheese. And we'll do pepperonis last.
Okay. Well, the first thing we're going to do is cut our cheese into pieces. Now on here, I put some different size lines, and I'm going to want you to try to cut these lines. We'll start with this one. Why don't you try holding this side and cut this line for me? Try to cut closer to the line. Let's get a little closer. Right there. Very good.
Oh, I dropped my cheese.
I'll get it for you. Can you try the next one for me? I'll help you this time. Just right here on the line. And cut. Very good. Can you try the last one for me? Good job. That was better. Let's do one more. Doing okay?
I don't know.
It's closer. You're okay. I'll get it.
I got it.
Okay.
I don't want to drop it.
No, let's just try this one.
That's a small line.
Let me help you. There you go. And one more. Very good, Trevor.
Got my cheese.
Got your cheese. Now I'm going to give you all your ingredients. Remember, this is your model you're looking at, okay? This is exactly how you're going to put it together. Now I want you to remember this because once we put together your pizza, I'm going to take the model away and I want you to remake it. Okay? So how about we go over it? What's this?
Crust, sauce, sausage, cheese, pepperonis.
Very good. So the first thing we're going to do is put what together?
The crust.
Okay. Now can you try to get this out of the container for me? Is that a little tough?
Yeah. It's small.
How about you try putting in 2 of your fingers and digging for the very bottom? Ugh. See? You're getting out a bigger chunk. There you go. Do you think you're going to need more for your crust? Or do you think that's good?
I like crust.
So you're going to want more?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try getting this one out too. What did I say? The 2 fingers and push all the way down and try to push. There you go. How about you try holding it? Stabilize it. There you go. There you go.
That's tough.
Now you're going to push down. We're going to try to roll it. Try rolling it for me. Let me show you. Can you try doing this for me? How about we try some jumping jacks right now? Just getting a little rough.
Okay.
Remember how to do them?
Hands to the top.
Mm-hmm. Out. Slap. Let's try that again. Slap as hard as you can. Up. And down. Let's do it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Feeling better?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go back. Now how about you push it down into the form you want your crust?
Can I make it any shape I want?
Yep.
I like this.
That looks good. Now for the sauce, I want you to use both hands when you do this. Hey, Abby. We're going to start here, and I want you to hold it down, and then I want you to zigzag over and push it down, and zigzag back over and push it down.
That looks hard.
I can help you. Now I want you to try it. Both hands. Push one side right here. We'll start with this side. And push it down. How about you hold it here? Push it down. Bring it back over. Push it down. How about you try pushing it down each time when you press it down? Push that side down. There you go. Good. We'll just cut the rest of this off. Do you want to do it for me?
Okay.
Here. I'll hold it. Now you cut it. There you go. Now why don't you try fixing that? Push it down. There you go. That looks good. What's next?
The sausage.
Okay, now I want you to make these small little balls for me. Just take out as much as you want and make as many pieces of sausage. Let me show you something. This is what I like to do when I make balls with Play-Doh. I stick it on the palm of my hand and I roll it around my palm like this. This is just, whoops. Just by going like this, you're going to smash it.
I like to smash it.
It's fun, but let's just try to make it a circle. Here.
There you go.
I'll smash this one. I want you to make it a circle for me. Palm, there you go.
Now what?
Try scrunching it up first. Then, okay, now try making it a circle with your palms. Go around in a
just
circle.
like a circle that
Yeah.
I make with on paper.
There you go. It's a little flat. Let's try it again. Don't push as hard. It's real slow. There you go. That looks awesome. Just press it on just a little bit. There you go. Do you want another one or just one?
Well, it's got 2 up there.
This is just a model, just a picture of what they can look like.
I want to do another one.
Okay. There you go. What's next?
The pepperonis.
What's this?
Oh, yeah, the cheese.
Okay. Here they are.
Okay.
I just want you to pick them up and place them wherever you want. Oh, you might have to push a little harder. There you go.
That's a lot of cheese.
You like cheese?
I don't like extra cheese on my pizza. That's enough.
Okay. Now we're going to take it apart. We're going to use these tongs.
I don't get to put pepperonis on my pizza?
Oh! Yep, sorry, I forgot about that.
That's okay.
Hey, at least you remembered the order. That's good.
I'll just have 2.
Okay. Now we're going to use these tongs and
You
we're
made a
going
good pizza.
You did. It looks awesome. We're going to use these tongs and we're going to use your pincer grass, which is these 2 fingers on the top and your thumb at the bottom. So it looks like this.
Why?
And I'm going to show you how to do it. You're going to pick up a poker chip, which is your pepperoni. You might have to stabilize these because they're falling off. But you're going to have to press really hard to pick it up so that it doesn't fall out. Now when we pick up the sausages and the cheese, we can't squeeze as hard, otherwise we're going to smash it. Now watch when I press really hard. I smashed it. Why don't you try a sausage for me? Let's try using these 2 fingers at the top and then your thumb. There you go.
Okay.
Oh, what happened?
I smashed it.
Yep.
Yeah.
Let me help you. Let me help you. Use these 2 fingers and your thumb. See how that feels?
Yeah.
Now let's try a straw, which is your cheese. Very good. Now try doing the poker chip. It's a little hard. You might want to hold it down. Oops. Here, I'll hold it up. No, try to use the grip I showed you. There you go.
2 on top.
There you go. Now get your sauce off too. You can just use your fingers for this.
Okay.
There you go. Now I want you to put it back together exactly what your order was before.
I have to make it again.
Again.
Oh, I know
Do you
crust
remember?
I know crust goes first.
Uh-huh.
I can't make a pizza crust.
Yes, you can. You're doing a great job. What's next?
The sauce.
Mm-hmm. Remember to use both hands. Good job. And next.
The cheese?
There was something before that. What did we use our hands for? To roll in circles.
Oh, the sausage.
Very good.
The sausage here.
Then what's next?
Then I think it's the cheese.
Yep.
So much cheese. Okay.
And
Well, all that's left are the pepperonis.
very good. You did a great job today, Trevor. Are you happy with your pizza?
Mm-hmm.
It looks great.
Now I want to eat some.
Well, maybe after you can go get some with your mom.
Okay.
Thanks today. That was great. You did a good job with your hand skills and remembering the order that you had to put your pizza back in.